lindas. Thank you for listening to me. Listen and enjoy the next video. My first review, my first unboxing. I love it. I love it. I'm so excited. And today is going to be amazing. We have a video that is going to be fantastic. And you know why? Because I listen. And when you listen, girl, you're probably gonna get the best that you have. And what happened was that, you know, I'm a mom and I'm also a content creator. And when I was talking with my grandmother, she told me that I should start like doing more beauty products and stuff like that. And I was like, really? And then she said, yeah, because as a content creator, you really need to work with your face and really taking care of your skin and all that. So I was like, you know, have saying. So that's what I'm going to start doing right now. So you're going to see a little bit of more beauty. She really made me realize the importance of having an amazing beauty routine and taking care of my skin, all that stuff. So give me an amazing comment about, do you have a beauty routine, a skincare routine that you also share with somebody that you love? For example, with your grandmother, with your mom, with your daughters. Let me know in the comments. And now let's go and start with this video and review this amazing product. At the beginning, I was like, kind of like, well, how this is going to be. And it's really easy because you have all the instructions right here. As you can see, you definitely need to read the instructions before you start trying this product.
But the chemical peel, what it does is it gets rid of the top layer of your skin, the damaged epidermis layer. And by doing this, you're improving the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, blemishes, dark spots, and uneven skin tone. So overall, you're improving your complexion by using the glycolic acid peel over time. Now, this is something you can actually see immediate results once you've completely healed from it. So when I say completely healed, what happens is you're getting rid of the top layer of your skin and you're regenerating new skin cells. You're gonna see some redness, you're gonna see some peeling, so you wanna avoid the sun and you wanna make sure that you are using sunscreen the next day.
Thank you to this brand because it's giving us the opportunity to try something amazing. Thank you so much for being here with me and my grandmother. We're really excited because now we're gonna have a new skin with this amazing product. Thank you so much. I will see you in our next video. Have a wonderful day, and I am really excited to show this to you because I know that every mom and every content creator needs to know what are the best products around so you can have an amazing skin. See you in our next video. I couldn't stay here like forever. Bye. And bum bum bum. Yes.
Damn. 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 Damn.